trap, I got my trap, I got my trap, I got my trap, I go hard every time, that's my bitch. Look at my car, nigga, look at my wrist, check my shit, I go hard every time, ask my bitch. Look at my car, nigga, look at my wrist, check my fit, look at my chick. That's cause I got my trap house bunking like this. I go hard every time, ask my bitch. Look at my car, nigga, look at my wrist, check my fit, look at my chick. Go tell the DJ, nigga, that's my shit. Open that swisher, cup full of liquor. Nigga, fuck you, and then nigga with ya. Cause bitch, I'm ballin', my bank account straight. You haters gon' hate, I'm blowing cushion.
Take me, yeah, for her love, for her love, for her love, for her love. Oh, always want to let go. Hustle means the music, man. That's my nigga like King Kong, man. You don't roll with them, man. Let go. Y'all know that shit. Hustle means the music. Hustle means the you will never die. You gotta maintain the street high. Got you all the ice you need. Love in the house that you want to leave. I guess your hands I gotta take it as a shot. We got whatever you feel like I'm supposed to. Money ain't make a living come.
got a little club on everybody.
Hey man, y'all niggas ain't hollering out Dirty South Entertainment.
Yeah, I hollered it out.
Dog, this the last night I'm letting this. Hey, this the last night I'm letting this shit slide when we up in the goddamn club. Look, you can't just be up there hollering out Hustle Vision and then we passing out porn card with Dirty South Entertainment and Hustle Vision. Come on, bro. Come on, now I get it from the street. Shit, even though I don't talk, y'all don't see me say shit, but I get it from the street, bro. Represent this shit, man. It is.
Give me the mic before y'all get a Dirty South.
Dirty South Hustle Vision, that what I'm saying.
I'm Dirty South anyway. I'm born from the South, so you ain't in there. Look, Cam.
I said, man, you gonna turn
I picture me holding you. I picture you holding me.
So he's like, bro, I ain't got no control.
We can watch a movie, girl. I just bought some brand new DVDs. And get what the DVD was, Dirty South Entertainment Hustle Vision. So Tony, you go and get it and get happy. So it's starring Dirty South Entertainment Hustle Vision music. Alright? I don't care about me sweating on the camera.